Xavier Wills, rxmuscle.com. I'm here with Mick Didman. You just got off stage. You won the over 40 Masters NABBA Victorian titles.
That's right.
Now you looked phenomenal. You blitzed everyone. You were surprised the hell out of me. Surprised the hell out of Scott Goble. You surprised probably even your trainer Iad. You hadn't even trained legs in a year and a half. Is that right?
That's about it. Other than some lunges with some light dumbbells, that's about it. Yeah.
That's absolutely insane.
Yeah.
We'll have a look at your legs later when you get hit a few shots. But you work in the mines, is that right?
I do, yeah. And a lot of times I work out in the open so that I get the welders to make me up some dumbbells. I've got 2 sets of dumbbells that I use, and I just basically train out on site, and that's it.
When you say you use just 2 sets of dumbbells, aren't they quite light? Scotty was telling me you got some light dumbbells there.
For about 2 months, all I had was, I think they're about 8 kilo dumbbells. But they're worth about $1,200 because of the high tension steel that they use.
Yep.
And the welders put them together, and I just use them, just slow, and that's about it. Yeah.
Yep. Now, what are you doing going forward in terms of comps? Are you going to hit up the nationals, or what are you going to do?
Yeah, I hope so in Adelaide. Yeah, if I keep going, keep my head together, I'll be right.
Excellent. You'll definitely be hard to beat there, especially in the Masters and maybe even your overall. So that's Mick Didman. Mick hit a couple shots for the camera and show those legs and that upper body as well.
Thank you, ladies. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. NABBA Cricket Class 2 and Masters combined. Thank you, ladies. You want to play? I don't know.
That's Mick Didman, the over 40 Masters champion at the NABBA Vics and also maybe the overall.
I doubt it, but thanks.
rxmuscle.com.